Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to go over Ethereum. Right now, we are trading at $1,370. At this price here, we can see observed near our fib chart, we are roughly around 61.80%, which is a good number to be able to see some type of support. Now, if I scroll out here, we're going to be taking a look at our volume indicator, which is the blue and yellow symbol on the side here. We can see this chunk up here where there was a lot of activity, small volatility or activity down here, and then this vast range of activity here. So normally we're going to be using these points here as good resistance lines or good support lines. So this here would be a resistance line. Here is a support line where we're currently at the 1356 and then on here. So we are hoping that we're able to catch ourselves at this dollar point here as we are below multiple moving averages. So we're below simply 100. We are actually close to the 200 range. So if we are going to be breaking through this area of support, we're actually going to be below all of our moving averages. You can see this candlestick observed at the very bottom here as a shooting star candlestick. Doesn't really mean anything if it's observed at the very top. If it's observed at the very bottom, it does show a lot of weakness, but we can see some selling candles here. So pressure when it comes to the bear market. But if we take a look closely at our movement for our MACD, we can see that the histograms or these bars are getting lighter. That means that it could possibly be the end of this current trend, which is this trend here is a bear trend. Another possible fact too, when we can see some support, is our RSI measuring if we are considered oversold or overbought itself. So we can see our line here as treated as a support at 29%. Currently our RSI right now is at 29.39. And then the last candlestick that we have was roughly around 29.39 as well. So we can see multiple areas where we can see some support, especially over here on June 30th, and then even further over here on June 18th. Now, what we can anticipate is that price can possibly fall a little bit lower. We can see RSI dropping as low as 23%. So even though this may not be a turn of reversal, when we look at our volume indicator, really the next area where the volume is most likely going to come down to is roughly around the 1214. So if we're not going to be holding around the supply and demand, we may actually fall closer to the next area where it produced more trades, either buy or sell, which is 1214 area here. So that's my quick update for Ethereum. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one.